Hey sis, look, it is the end of the day. I am about to call it an evening, but I was thinking about something. As I was driving back, I'm traveling, and so as I was driving back to my room, I was thinking, ooh, I'm tired. I am tired. Been traveling, been moving around, doing some things, and had an event today. And so I get back to my room, but on the way to my room, I'm like, I'm tired. So I started having this conversation with myself. And there is a difference between being tired, like you just tired, or you're tired. Okay? Catch this. Because I'm going to ask you, which one are you? You're tired when at the end of the day, you know that you have poured out, you know that you have done all that you can do, you know that you have done what you are supposed to do. You know that what you have supposed to do are those things that are related to your purpose. Those things that you know is going to move the needle. Those things that you know is adding value and helping and supporting other people. Those things that you know that you are passionate about. It's the hard work. You don't mind doing it. If somebody was to ask you, like, those are the things that you would do and they didn't even have to pay you to do it. Like, your heart is that much into it. At the end of pouring out, you're tired. Okay? And then there's that other one. There's the other one. Whew, you're tired. At the end of the day, every day has been like the exact same day over and over and over. Oh, you working. But the work that you're doing, you don't see it going anywhere. You really don't see, even though you're trying really, really hard. Y'all, excuse me. Even though you're trying really, really hard, you just don't see it. You doing the work. You are tired at the end of the day. Is that what you want to be? Sis, is that what you want for yourself? To continue to be, just tired. You trying to get ahead, but you can't seem to get ahead. You trying to do all the things that you think are the right things, that you think that, you know what, this is going to be it. This is my chance. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. Those things, but yet you don't see any manifestations. You don't see anything about your situation changing. You are frustrated and you are overwhelmed. You that tired. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to be tired or do you want to be tired? Because I will tell you a big difference between the two. That first one, being tired, that one is directly aligned with your purpose. You see the things that are happening. Yes, at the end of the day, you're exhausted. You don't have any more energy to give. However, you know that you have poured out your heart and the work that you have done, that is the work that you're supposed to be doing. And at the end of the day, at the end of the night, you can rest in peace. Is that you? Is that what you want? Or do you want that one that you can't get no sleep at night because you are tired, you're frustrated, you overwhelmed? Because every day seems like the same day. You did right now, this year, what you did last year, what you did the year before, and nothing is changing for your situation. Hey, if you are ready to stop that, if you are ready to stop living that life, I want to invite you to a workshop. It's a big difference between the two. Trust me, believe me, there is a difference. I was tired for years, but now working in my purpose, I have the freedom and the flexibility. I'm doing the hard work and I see how the manifestations in my life, the freedom, the flexibility, the connections, the opportunities, the doors that are opening, places that I've never been before, people that I've never met before. There's a huge difference, and I can show you how to tap into that as well. I can show you how. Click the link below because I'm giving a workshop. And in this workshop, I am going to tell you how to make the distinction, how to live a tired life instead of a tired life. All right, click the link below and I'll see you on the inside.